Welcome to Assign Interiors. This is one of a completed project located in Avadi. This project involved evolving the semi-modular design into a full modular design. Diving into the kitchen, it is designed fully with handleless profile cabinets with a spice rack. This is a semi-modular kitchen fully designed to a full modular kitchen design for an enhanced elegant look. The pearl grey light tone and sambar color dark tone is given in the kitchen for a spacious look. All the laminations used are matte finish. Accessories like wicker basket and common accessories are fixed. To give a festive and bright look, lightings are also added under the kitchen cabinets. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more home inspiration. Until next time, happy designing.